flower number 22 today, so I've got flower 22 selected. I've got a hot pink color, and on the layers panel here, I am gonna tap the plus sign to add a new layer and stamp that right down. Now I am going to grab this peachy color, add another new layer, decrease the size, and stamp it down again. I'm gonna use my arrow tool to adjust the size and slide it into place. And I'm going to add another new layer. I'm gonna grab my navy color here, and I'm gonna go down to stem number 2. Actually, stem number 9 is what I originally used. So it's fine that it's big. We could reduce the size, or we could just grab our arrow tool here and with uniform on, shrink it down and tap it into place. Now we want to add a new layer and drag it all the way to the bottom. And I am going to grab my monoline brush and back to this peachy color, and I'm just gonna add those background details. So I've got a fairly small size, and I'm just gonna draw a little smaller out of each section. I could probably go even a little bigger, but that'll do for now. And add a curly Q coming from each. I'll use a green color to add a stem while I'm on that back layer, and then also add some simple dots on each side. I'm actually gonna use the lighter yellow. And now all I need to do is add one more new layer, and I'm gonna grab heart stamp number 6 and navy, and then I will use my arrow tool to adjust the size and slide it into place. Since we merged all our layers together last time, this time we will group again. So to select all your layers, you just swipe left, and once all the elements of your flower are selected, click group. You can open or close that and tap to rename flower 22, and now you still have all those elements that are easy to edit. So if I wanted to change my flower color to maybe this darker pink, whoop, I can easily grab that layer and then just drag and drop to make it a new color.